The best foods to cleanse repair your kidneys. Our kidneys play a tremendous role throughout our entire bodily system, working in harmony with other organs. Their main function is to cleanse the blood of toxins and transfer waste into urine. Unfortunately, many people consume refined and processed foods, which cause damage and inflammation to the kidneys. Adding excessive salt to your food also puts stress on your kidneys. The good news is that there are many things you can do right now to reverse kidney damage and keep your kidneys healthy for a lifetime. Today, I want to share with you how you can cleanse your kidneys of excessive toxins and keep them healthy. Grapes contain resveratrol, which has protective effects against both acute and chronic kidney injuries through its antioxidant properties. The National Kidney Foundation recommends drinking 1 glass of grape juice or eating approximately 15 grapes a day to support kidney health. Cranberries benefit both the urinary tract and kidneys. They contain phytonutrients called A-type proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the lining of the urinary tract and bladder, thus preventing infections. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges are loaded with vitamin C, which benefits the kidneys by breaking down and preventing kidney stones. Drinking a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon in the morning not only supports kidney health but also aids the digestive system and cleanses the liver. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and particularly blueberries have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties can inhibit cancer cell growth and tumor formation. Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil contains oleic acid, which lowers heart disease risk, reduces cholesterol, and prevents arterial plaque formation. It also lowers blood pressure, reducing stress on the kidneys. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, tuna, herring, sardines, mackerel, flaxseed, chia seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s are excellent for the cardiovascular system and the brain. They also reduce inflammation in the kidneys and throughout the body. Water is the most important drink for your body. About 60 to 65% of our body is made up of water. Cells use water to transport toxins into the bloodstream, which the kidneys then filter out to create urine. Always stay hydrated, even if you don't feel thirsty, because our brain sometimes signals thirst too late, especially in warm or humid weather. Signs of dehydration. When you wake up in the morning, your urine is darker because you're more dehydrated. During the day, if your urine remains dark yellow, you need to drink more water until it becomes much lighter. Additional foods for kidney health. Apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that helps regulate blood sugar levels and lower bad cholesterol. They also have beneficial effects on kidney health. Eating onions and garlic regularly can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, chronic kidney disease, and hypertension. They have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and kombucha support a healthy microbiome. This gut health is crucial for a strong immune system and overall health. Key practices for healthy kidneys. Keep yourself well hydrated to flush out toxins and prevent dehydration. Engage in regular physical activity to increase blood flow and oxygen supply to your kidneys. Activities like walking, running, cycling, and dancing are beneficial. Weight management. Monitor your weight to avoid excessive visceral fat, which can lead to metabolic syndrome and put extra strain on your kidneys. Balanced diet. Cut out refined carbs and add more fiber to your diet to slow sugar absorption and improve digestion. Ensure you get 6.5 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Lack of sleep increases stress hormones like cortisol, which can elevate blood pressure and damage the kidneys. By eating correctly, exercising, maintaining a positive attitude, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep, you can keep your kidneys healthy and live a joyful and happy life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and family. Leave your comments below. Thanks you.